this is Krishna and you are watching Tech Talk. Welcome back to you with one more new videos. So in the last videos we learned about how to inspect a part. So in that video I mentioned for hardness testings. So how to check hardness testing. So this is the hardness tester. By the help of these machines we can going to know the hardness of the part. Okay guys, so let's get started. So hardness testing is a test to determine the resistance of a material habit to permanence, deformations by penetrations of another hardened parts. That means where we are applying to friction type of to sliding parts. So this is a sliding part and this is a fixed part. When this part will be sliding over this part, so due to the friction there may be chances of deformations of this part. So that actually we are applying for all the friction type of areas, both parts are hardened. Both parts should be hardened. Then only deformation can be resist permanently. So we'll see how the machine is working and other definitions. So this is a hardness testing machine, as you can see. This is the hardness tester. Okay, this is the hardness tester. Actually, in this machine we are using two types of teeth. Two type of tips are using for hardness test. So this is the diamond tip. One will come ball tips. So whenever we are going to check, we have to check our drawings. What kind of testing things are given. So in this video you can see they mentioned like cast hardened 48 to 50 HSC, depth 0.8 to 1 mm. Like that, every drawings, if they are given like that, cast hardened, this, then you have to come here. Where is the cast hardened? So in the first area, you can see they mention here cast hardened steel. So diamond tool. So we have to use this diamond tools. So load will be 60. Okay, dial, black dial we have to read. That 60 load we have to set here. That load we have to set here. This is the indicators, hardness tester indicator. So this is a shorter pointer. This is the longer pointer. This is fully divisions, and this is the hardness tester indicator for A and C. This is for hardness tester indicator for B. So what is C and B we are going to see. Okay, this is a lead screw for adjustable job up and down. So this is the anvil. This is the anvil or tool rest. You can say tool holder. You can say or anything. So here is the teeth, and this is the handle for manual adjustment or zero. So suppose, as we saw there, so this is the tools. This is the diamond tip, and this is the part. Okay. So this tool, the diamond tip is called a indenter. So this is indentions. How much it is going inside? That is indentation. This is a sample of a job. C and B is calculated like that. So when that part is touching over the job surface, it is not going inside. That time this is the minor load, and we are calculating how much it is traveling inside the job. So this is the job surface total. So how much it is going inside or how much it is traveling inside to the job, that is C. So we are calculating like that only. So this depth and this depth. So when it is touching here, and it is how much it is traveling, that we are checking hardness, HRC. Okay, so we'll see how, as I explained, these things are. These tools, job, anvils, everything. So suppose we are taking this part, how to check. So this is a cylindrical part. For cylindrical parts, we have to change these anvils or tool locators, V types. So we have to remove this flat one. We have to place this one V type. we have to place these B types, then we have to put the job, then we will see. This part is mostly cast hardened, so one more cast hardened. So this is diamond tip we are using. So 150 load we have to put, 150 load. So 150 load we have set it here, 150 load. Then we have to check. So we have to rotate it. Job will move toward upside. Then you can see. You have to tighten it, slowly tighten it until it is stopped. We have to tighten. Now it is stopped. Okay. After stop, this is the lever relieving, load relieving levers. So we have to push back. Then after it is stopping these needles, again I have to pull front side. Then needle again will start. Okay. So it is showing how much? 26. So it is not good actually. 26. I think it is hardened or not hardened, I don't know. So it is showing 26. Similarly, we have to check every part like that only.